Ironclad's repository allows you to track key date and non-date related obligations to ensure compliance within your agreements. For example, let's say your company had a data breach, a non-date related obligation. Here is a saved view of all your DPAs and the SLA for incident response notifications. You can customize these views to also include the designated point of contact emails for security issues. Once you have identified the point of contact who needs to be notified, you can share this information by copying the link to the view or export the metadata into an Excel file and send it to your security team so that they can inform your customers promptly via email. In this next example, we will look at a date-related obligation. In this case, we have specific vendor contracts that are expecting payment in the next 90 days. The procurement team can configure and manage any reminders for the relationships they own, specify who should be reminded, and at what frequency. To set up reminders, we first need to specify who should receive them. Reminders can be assigned dynamically based on the data from the contract, such as a relationship owner assigned, or a legal or privacy officer who signed off on the contract. In addition, we can also tag a specific Ironclad group or user. In this case, we will tag these reminders to Larry Finance so he can follow up on the payments. We will set up a reminder to go out 45 days before the payment due date to ensure Larry's payments are made on time. We will customize the content in this reminder to contain the payment due date, counterparty name, payment amount, and the payment status to give Larry the context he needs. But users can customize these messages with any contract metadata. Now that our email has been configured, let's see an example. From this reminder, Larry Finance will be able to access the relevant list to confirm payments and update the data upon payment. He can work down the email by clicking into each contract record, or access the entire list by clicking View in Ironclad. Once payments are sent and received, records can be bulk updated within Ironclad, or via the API for reporting purposes.